In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect a bank account to QuickBooks Online. Now, if you're a business owner or someone responsible for managing company finances, linking your bank account to QuickBooks Online can streamline your financial tracking and make managing your finances a whole lot easier. So, let's dive right into the process. First, when you log into QuickBooks Online, you'll want to look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a series of options there, and you want to click on the one that says Transactions. This will take you to the primary area where all the financial activity is recorded and managed. It's the hub for handling your monetary transactions, so you'll spend a lot of time here. Once you're into the Transactions section, look at the top of the screen for the Bank Transactions tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is specifically designed to manage your banking data and will be the place where your bank account information will be stored and accessed once it's linked. After clicking on the Bank Transactions tab, you'll notice a button labeled Link Account. This is the next step in the process. Click on the Link Account button, and this will initiate the process of connecting your bank account to QuickBooks. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between your financial institution and QuickBooks Online. Next, you'll see a search bar. Simply type the name of your bank into this bar and select it from the drop-down list that appears. QuickBooks supports a wide variety of banks, and by searching for yours, you're preparing to link them. Once your bank appears, click on it. Following this, you'll need to authenticate your account. This typically involves logging in using your bank's online credentials, like your username and password. Authentication is a security measure to ensure that your bank recognizes that you're the one requesting this connection. It might take a moment or two to complete this step, depending on your bank's security measures. Once authenticated, your bank account will be connected to QuickBooks Online. Your bank feeds, which are the transactions that pass through your bank account, will start to appear in QuickBooks automatically. This feed is continuously updated, which means you'll have accurate and timely visibility into your financial activities without manually entering each transaction. From here, you can sort and record these transactions, keeping your financial records up to date. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online, helping you stay on top of your business finances efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your financial management smoother than ever.